Hey guys, how to play two-player in Driveclub PS4. Many players still love Driveclub for its beautiful graphics and realistic racing, but if you're wondering how to play with friends on the same console, here's the full explanation. Driveclub does not support local split-screen gameplay. It was designed purely for online multiplayer and solo career mode. But don't worry, here is how you can still race against your friends. Go online. Make sure you have a PlayStation Plus subscription required for multiplayer. Launch the game. Go to the multiplayer section. Create a private lobby. Invite your friend using invite friends and then PSN friend list. Choose your track, weather, and car class, and hit start the race. You will both be racing in real time, just not on the split screen. Alternative idea, if you want local two-player action, try Gran Turismo 7 or Need for Speed Heat. Both have proper split screen play. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.